Hello and thank you for tuning in to Heartwork Creations. In this video, I'm going to show you one of my quick go-to hairstyles for when I need to get ready fast. This little soft waves moment. So keep watching if you want to see me put it together. I'm starting off with my hair blow dried and clean. I just have some leave-in conditioner in, and then I'm going to put on some of this Suavecita heat protectant spray and just spray it on all over. And then I take my paddle brush and just run it through my hair to just get the product everywhere. I focus mostly on my ends to not get my root oily. And then I like to section off my hair starting from the bottom and just work my way up. It's about an inch thick piece, and I clip the rest of my hair up. And one of the tricks that I personally like to do is I straighten my roots just a little bit with my flat iron. I don't go all the way down because I'm obviously going to be curling the ends, but I like to just straighten the root so that it doesn't end up kinking up later in the day, because I personally have that problem. So try that out, see if it helps you. And then next I'm taking a 1.25 inch gold barrel curling iron from Hot Tools, and essentially what you are doing is you're running the curling iron through the hair and then just like sliding it down and then releasing the piece of the section of the hair that's in the barrel. So you're just like working your way down, curling, twisting. So you can just kind of see how I do it here, and then just slide down. For the end, I just kind of slide it through. I don't really curl it inwards, and that's what's going to give you the more soft wave effect. If you want a more sculpted curl, then you can curl the end in as well. I kind of rotate between the two styles to still have it have a little more form. So some I do with the straightened end and some I do with the curled end. And I just curl outwards, so back away from my face. And here I just sped it up because it's the same repetitive motion and I don't want to bore you guys. So if you have any questions, you can feel free to ask me down below. But yeah, it's really simple, and this style takes me about 15 to 20 minutes. My hair is pretty long, so if I take my time, it comes out better. But here it took me about 15-20 minutes. So just work your way all the way up, and remember, you're not going all the way down with the curling iron or with the straightener, because I don't like to put heat on my ends twice. So I like to just straighten the roots and only curl the bottom with my curling iron. And I feel like the curl stays better when the straightener is not ran all the way through my hair. For the top piece, I like to really focus on the roots to make sure the top of my head is nice and smooth. I do my front two pieces, like the face framing pieces, really softly. Like, I don't like the curl to be too formed in the front. I like it to look softer. If you want tighter curls, you can use a 1-inch curling iron instead, and your curls will be just more formed and will last a little bit longer. I like the effect that this barrel gives. It's like a lot softer and just looks more like effortless. And once I'm finished curling, I then spray my hair with some Dove hairspray. I love this hairspray because it's not too sticky, but it gives me the perfect amount of hold, and it smells freaking good too. So that's definitely a plus. I know it's not the best for your hair, but I like my hair to smell good. I can't help it. And then I just gently run my fingers through my waves. You can also run your paddle brush to kind of soften them up even more. I wait till the end to spray my hair just because I I don't want my hair to get like crunchy, so I don't know, I like to wait to the end. And then I take a little bit of this Olaplex Bonding Oil and just run it through my ends to give it a little more shiny effect. It kind of sculpts my curls a little better. I take a little bit of hairspray on my hand and just kind of rub my hands together, and then I slide them on the top of my head to lay down any flyaways. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this little hair tutorial. Let me know what you thought down below. Make sure to give this video a like for me and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.